Watch your head. Kind of envision walking around the Microsoft Pipe screensaver. That's what we're installing in right there. That's what it looks like. University of Michigan has more than 13,000 steam traps spread across campus. These things can fail anytime, and as soon as they start failing, they're leaking. If they fail plugged, in the worst case scenario there is an explosion. And it's very hard to detect leaks like that. There are other steam trap monitor solutions out there, but the difference is they all run on batteries. I've recently started a company called Everactive. What we do is we build ultra-low power IoT devices that do not require batteries. They run on harvested energy from, for example, light, heat, or vibration. As soon as you attach one of these devices, it powers up, continuous sensing, continuous processing, and starts streaming data to the cloud. We start running analytics on it and start delivering notifications as soon as something happens to that asset. What's going to limit the number of solutions where this technology can be applied is just simply limited by the number of open doors we can find.